toast.
With, yeah, croissant.
Yeah.
Croissant.
You gotta go.
Oh my god. We're not even there yet. How many more to get there?
We are here.
No. Finally made it to the airport. I did not record me packing because it was like 10 p.m. or something, and I was just focused on doing that. But I'm at the airport, the San Francisco airport. I got my immune shot. I took one, and then I have one in my bag that I will drink when I'm in Mexico, because it's good to have immune.
George Weber. George Weber.
Where did we eat, Ma? Where did we just eat?
We ate at a restaurant.
Another cafe.
Yeah.
So, what did you think of it? I'm talking to my sister.
It was good. I had an egg truffle omelet and it was delicioso.
What about you, Mom?
I had chilaquiles and coffee. They were good.
I don't even remember what I got.
And you got a French toast.
With, yeah, croissant.
Yeah.
Croissant.
You got a croissant.
Croissant. And we're in what part of Mexico City?
This is Condesa.
It's really nice. There's a lot of dogs out. Heading to the castle. I'm already dying. Oh my god. We're not even there yet. How many more to get there?
We are here.
No, to get there. We're not there yet. Okay, where are we going?
I already drank my
Castillo
water.
de
The only one in there.
Chapultepec? I don't remember.
Chapultepec.
She said saying the
Chapultepec.
same thing when we were in Italy. When I asked her where are we going, she's like, So, why did you want to go here?
Because it looks beautiful and historical and has a lot of classical art.
Wow. Okay, we're almost there.
Don't get ahead of yourself. Might be falling.